In the previous lecture, we came to know that business is an economic activity. It involves production, exchange, distribution of goods and services, and sale of goods or services with an objective of earning profits. These we learned in the previous lecture. Now let us know the important points of business. It is the regular profession of one's who is doing that activity. So next important concept is one's regular profession is known as business. Here learned or certificate is not required for doing business. So it should be an occupation or profession of one's, then only it is called as business. Another one, it refers to a particular entity or corporation. For example, Infosys company, it is an entity or it is a corporation for doing computer or software business. Or SBI, State Bank of India, that is banking field. So it is a corporation or deals with a particular entity. Next, it refers to a particular market. Market means the place where the purchase and selling took place. So business refers to a particular market. For example, Vijayalakshmi stands for books or book market. Reynolds, pens market. Mobiles, Nokia stands for mobile marketing. IDBI, Industrial Development of Bank India, refers to banking or marketing. And in the same way, automobiles, these are all the examples for a particular market. Next, business refers to the activities of manufacture, processing, purchase, sale, marketing, etc. So it is the totality of activities of manufacturing the goods or processing. There may be several stages in preparing or finalizing the goods for direct use. So there is a processing system, purchasing the material and selling the goods or services, or marketing, advertising, etc. are the activities which included in business. So the main feature of business is profitization. The final motto of a business is getting profits. So profitization is the main characteristics of the business. And acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods. The next general feature of business is acquiring wealth and buying, selling of goods or services is known as business. Seventh one, providing goods or services to the society with incentive of private gain. There should be a intention or incentive of profit. So without profit it is not called as business. So for calling a business we should know the value of sales and services, selling with the motto of the profit. Profitization is the main aim of business. A sum of activities involved in production, distribution of goods for private profits. For getting private profits, a sum of activities involved in production and distribution of goods is known as business. Next one, regular exchange of goods for a price. It is an economic activity. So business is an economic activity. There should be regularity in exchange of goods, of services for a price. That means there is a pricing system. For the price only, the exchange should be done with the motto of profit and earning wealth through satisfying human wants. So this is known as business. Creating utility by production, selling, and serving to human. Creation of time, place, ownership, values, creating by business enterprises. So these are all the characteristics of business in general. If you find the following or above qualities, then it will be treated as business. Now let us know the particular characteristics features of business. Particular characteristics of business. Number 1, the first quality or characteristic features means spots. If you want to call an activity as business, there should be the following parts or qualities. The first quality is creation of utility. Utility means use. Business creates time, place, form, possession, utilities. That means it creates the utility of time by using or storing in a garden, and in the particular season only we will get the uses of using products or goods. For example, umbrella utilization in rainy season. And in the same way, the chappals which you are using were manufactured in Kanpur, and now we are using the chappals, and you are treated a consumer for that particular chappal of Kanpur. Chappals are available in Mantralayam. So it is the utilization of place utility. So even the farm utility is known as the raw material was formed or transformed into a pen form. That is, we are using that, we are creating the utility of farm utility with the raw material. And the possession, that means the asset we are using, and we are creating the utility creation, is the main characteristics of business. Deals with goods and services. Goods are many types. For example, consumer goods. The goods which we consume directly is known as consumer goods. For example, bread, tea, and shoes are known as consumer goods. Producer goods means the goods which are useful for producing another goods are known as producer goods. For example, machinery, materials. And the services are also comes under the business. For example, there are some intangible, that means we cannot touch, only we can feel. For example, transport, banking, insurance comes under the services of intangible services. And the best example for invisible goods are goodwill. That means for a particular place, the amount will be paid to the owner. It is known as goodwill. And the services of doctors and teachers are also invisible. So it comes under the invisible services or goods. It also refers to the business.